Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can hard reset your headphones, the JBL Tune 520BT, and it's really simple. So first thing that you want to do is have it turned on. So turn it on. So the blue light is going to flash that is looking for connection, and then what you want to do is you want to hold the minus and plus button at the same time and hold it and press it together. So nearly 5 to 10 seconds, maybe 15. And then what will happen is that it's going to turn off, and now it's been reseated. So you can always try it out if you're going to have whatever issues. Just hold it together and you got it. So this is how you're going to reset the JBL Tune 520BT. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.